welcome to my channel Maths Master. In today's lecture, that is lecture number 3, we'll continue with the topic factorization. In the last lecture, we solved some example based on the formula x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So, in today's lecture also, we'll continue with the same type, that is difference of two squares, that is type 4, difference of two squares. So, let's consider the next example. So, here I'll start from the example number 1. So, that is 4a square b minus 9b cube. If you'll observe at this expression, you will see that the first term and the second term, both the terms, they are not square terms. So what is common between them? The common is b. So we'll take it out. So b, when you'll take it out, what will be there in the bracket? So it is 4a square minus 9b square. Now you can observe that both of these terms are square terms. So the next step, it will be by using the formula x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. We can write it as a first. It is 2a square minus 3b square. So 2a square is 4a square. 3b square is 9b square. Now apply the formula, that is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Here x is 2a and y is 3b. So it is 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So what are the factors of the given algebraic expression? The first factor is b, second it is 2a plus 3b, and the third factor it is 2a minus 3b. Okay, so we'll solve now the next example. Suppose the expression is of this type. It is a raised to 4 minus 1. We know that a raised to 4 means a square its square minus 1. Again use the formula x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So here by using that formula, we can write the two factors of this expression, that a square plus 1 into a square minus 1. So it is x and this is y. Okay. Now after this, if you will see, it is a square plus 1 as it is. But if you look at this bracket, it is a square minus 1. Means what? It is of the type, the difference of squares. So that's why once again we can use here the formula x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So now here it will be a plus 1 into a minus 1. Means instead of a square minus 1, we can write a plus 1 into a minus 1. Thus, these three are the factors of the given algebraic expression. The third example we can see here, it is a cube plus 2a square minus a minus 2. Now, if you apply here the grouping method, so the group of first two terms and the group of second two terms, you can take here the common a square. A square, if you take it common, then here it is a square in bracket, it is a plus 2. And then minus, if we'll consider, it is minus 1 if we'll take common. So here it is nothing but a plus 2. Okay. So minus 1 if we'll take common, the next sign it will get changed. Now a plus 2, it is same. Take it out. So a plus 2, when you'll take it out, what will be in the bracket? It is a square minus 1. Okay, so it is a plus 2. Once again, this is a square minus 1 means what? In place of that, we can write a plus 2 into a plus 1 into a minus 1. Okay, so how we solve this example? First, we applied the grouping method, take out the common factors, whatever the common factors are there, and then we applied the formula of x square minus y square. So a plus 2, a plus 1 and a minus 1, these are the three factors of the given algebraic expression. Example number 4. 4a square minus 49b square plus 2a minus 7b. So here 4a square minus 49b square, if you look at this expression, this is square term and this is also square term. So this is square of 2a square minus 7b its square plus nothing is common, so if I'll take 1 as a common, then it will be 2a minus 7b. Now by using the formula of x square minus y square, here we can write 2a minus 7b into 2a plus 7b plus, so if we will not take common, then also here it is, we can write 2a minus 7b. Okay, so 2a minus 7b, 2a minus 7b, so this expression, it is common in this, so you will take out of the bracket 2a minus 7b. What will be there inside? So 2a plus 7b, so nothing will be there, as this term we have taken out means 1. Okay, thus the factors of the given algebraic expression are 2a minus 7b into 2a plus 7b plus 1. Now we will consider the next example, that is example number 5. 4a square minus 12a plus 9 minus 49b square. Okay, if you look at first three terms, then this is nothing but the trinomial, or you can call it as a quadratic equation. So in place of this, we can write the square root of 4a square, it is 2a, and square root of 9, it is 3. So 2a minus 3 and its square if I will write. Why? Because we know that 2a minus 3, its square is nothing but what? The square of the first term, that is 4a square, plus the square of the second term, it is 9, minus, why minus? Because when you will multiply this two, as here it is minus sign, means we are using the formula a minus b its square. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 3 into 2 it is 6, and 6 into 2 it is 12a. So if you will observe here, it is 4a square minus 12a plus 9. It is same. So in place of this quadratic equation, directly we can write 2a minus 3 its square. So it is minus 49b square. So if it is not possible for you to write this, then once again you can follow our method of finding factors of trinomial, that is multiply 9 into 4, it is 36, and find out the factors of 36 such that their sum is 12 and their multiplication is 36. So it is 6 into 6, 36. So minus 6a minus 6a. So like with that method also you will get the same answer. So here I have written directly, it is 2a minus 3 square minus 49b square. Now this is in the form x square minus y square, that is nothing but equal to x plus y into x minus 1. So here this is x square and this is y square. Why? 49b square means it is the square of 7b. So you can write here, it is x plus y, means 2a minus 3, it is x, plus y, it is 7b, and 2a minus 3, it is minus 7b. Okay, so directly now we can write down here the answer is 2a minus 3 plus 7b into 2a minus 3 minus 7b. So these are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. Now the next example, if I will discuss, it is 4xy minus x square minus 4y square plus z square. Okay. Now I will rearrange this, whatever the equation. So plus z square first, that I will write plus z square as it is positive. If you look here, it is square term, it is also square term, and this is x into y, means we can consider this as a middle term. So I'll change the sequence. First I'll write minus x square, then I'll write plus 4xy, then we'll write minus 4y square. Okay, z square already we took at the start. So here it is z square minus, I can take common. So in bracket it is x square minus 4xy plus 4y square. So it is z square minus, now if you look at this, this is the square of x minus 2y, its square. X minus 2y its square, why? Because x minus 2y its square is what? Square of the first term x square plus the square of the second term 4y square minus, why minus? Because the middle sign it is minus. Minus the multiplication of 2. Both the terms, it is 2xy and twice of that it is 4xy. Okay, so x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. So here it is there. It means it is the square of x minus 2y. Okay, now it is in the form the difference of the squares. So we'll apply the formula of x square minus y square. So what is the equation? Z square minus x minus 2y. So this is z square minus x minus 2y square. What will be the next step here? It is z minus x minus 2y and z plus x minus 2y. So these are the two factors, that is x minus y into x plus y. That formula we used here. Okay, so just you have to simplify now. It is z minus x plus 2y and z plus x minus 2y. So these are the two factors of given algebraic expression. Okay, so very easy. First just you have to rearrange the terms. You have to rearrange the terms, and always you have to find the way in which you can find out the factors. Okay, where you see the quadratic equation, immediately you can write down its factors, and then you can compare the equation whether it is the square of the difference of the squares. So if it is a difference of the squares, then you can use the formula x square minus y square. So the next example we will discuss here. 4x square minus 12ax minus y square minus z square minus 2yz plus 9a square. So you can see here, this is nothing but what? The two quadratic equations. These may be this equation, it may consist of the two quadratic equations. Just you have to rearrange the terms. Rearrange the terms. So it is 12ax. So you have to bring, or you have to collect the terms having a and having x. Already here it is 4x square is there, but now we want the term which contains a. So this is 9a square. So you have to bring here close to this. Okay, and now you can see it is y, it is z, and it is yz. So they are already together. Okay, so next step, it is 4x square minus 12ax. I'll bring this 9a square plus 9a square. Now minus, if it minus y square minus z square minus 2yz. Okay. Now this is one quadratic equation and this is another quadratic equation, or the trinomial you can say. So here it is x and a, and middle term also consists of a and x, or x and a. Means what? If I will write here in place of this trinomial, if I'll write the square root of 4x, so it is 2x, and sign is negative, minus, and square root of 9a square, so this is 3a, and its square. If you write them, you have to verify whether this is correct or not. So I will verify the square of the first term 4x square, square of the second term plus 9a square, and then multiplication of these two, that is 2 into 3, 6ax, and twice of that, it is minus 12ax. So yes, it is correct. If it is not possible for you to write it directly, I told you just multiply 9 and 4, that is 36, and find out the factors of 36, so that their sum is 12, minus 12, and their product is 36, and using that also you can find out the factors. Okay, now I will take negative sign common. So here it is y square minus y square plus z square plus 2yz. So it is 2x minus 3x square minus, here also these are the two square terms. If you will take square root y, and then all are plus signs, so plus square root of third term, that is square, second square term, so it is z, y plus z and its square. If you will see that y plus z its square, it is y square plus z square plus 2yz. So that is the expansion of this square bracket. Now this is in the form of difference of squares, so that is x square minus y square. Now what are the factors? X plus y into x minus y. This whole term it is x, and this whole term it is y. That is in the formula, that is x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So what will be the answer? The answer is whole term x plus y. So it is 2x minus 3y plus y plus z. Okay, y plus z into 2x minus 3a, 2x minus 3a, 2x minus 3a minus y plus z. Just simplify this now. It is 2x minus 3a plus y plus z into 2x minus 3a minus y minus z. So these are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. Now the next example we'll consider. Here it is x raised to 4 plus x square plus 1. Now if you consider this quadratic equation, so can we write directly its factors as we followed the method in the above example? That is, instead of this we can write it as a x square, means square root of first term it is x square plus the square root of second term, so this is 1 and its square. Now if we write its expansion, it is x raised to 4, the square of the first term, x raised to 4 plus twice of the multiplication, that is 2x square plus the square of the second term. So it should be x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Okay, but here it is only x square, not 2x square. Suppose if I will change it, that is x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1. Now whether these two equations are same? No. 1 x square it is increased, so I have to reduce it. So that's why I'll write minus x square. And if I'll write minus x square, the original equation will not change. Therefore, it is 2x square minus x square means it is x square plus x square. That is original equation I have not changed, but I wrote in this form. That is the middle term. Instead of x square I wrote 2x square and I reduced the 1 extra x square. Now if you will see, in place of this I can write x square plus 1x square minus it is x square. Yes, now it is in the form of square difference of the square terms. So we can write here the factors x square minus y square, x plus y. It is x square plus 1, that is x plus y, that is plus x, into x minus y, that is x square plus 1 is minus x. Okay, so these are nothing but the two factors of the given algebraic expression. So we'll write it properly. So here only I'll write properly the two factors. It is x square plus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Now these are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. This example is different. Okay, this is not a perfect square. We converted this first into a perfect square, and whatever the extra term is there, that we reduce so that the original equation will not get changed. Then we wrote its square, perfect square, so that it is a perfect square of x square plus 1, then minus x square, and then we use the formula of difference of the squares. Okay, so these are the factors we get. Now we consider the next example. It is a square plus b square minus 4c square its square minus 4a square b square. So directly they have given us that the difference of the two squares. We'll use the formula x plus y into x minus y. This total term, it is x, and this total term, so it is y square. It is x square and y square. What is y? Y is 2ab. So first I'll write as a square plus b square minus 4c square its square minus, it is 2ab its square. Okay, write down the factors now. A square plus b square minus 4c square minus 2ab into a square plus b square minus 4c square plus 2ab. Okay, now you will see here, this, it is a into b, so bring it close to the terms containing a square and b square. So here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square minus 4c square. Here also a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4c square. Just rearrange the term according to the requirement, because I am observing that these three terms, that is quadratic equation, it is a perfect square, and this is also a perfect square, and this is the square of a minus b its square minus 4c square, and this is the perfect square of a plus b its square minus 4c square. Now this 4c square means 2c and its square. Here also it is 2c its square. Now again it is in the form of difference of the square terms, that is x square minus y square. So I'll write its factors x plus y into x minus y. X is a minus b minus 2c, okay, minus 2c into a minus b plus 2c. Okay, this whole thing is related to this. Now for this we can write here a plus b minus 2c into a plus b plus 2c. So these two terms are related to this. Okay, so just to write now a minus b minus 2c into a minus b plus 2c into a plus b minus 2c into a plus b plus 2c. Thus these are the four factors of the given algebraic expression. So please don't lose your patience while solving the example. Definitely you will get the correct answer. Okay. Now the next example we'll see here, it is example number 10. A plus b its square minus a square plus b square. Okay, first we'll expand this. So it is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square plus b square. So a square it will get cancelled, and 2ab and this plus b square. So what is that? Plus 2b square. Take common. What you can take common? 2 you can take, and b also you can take. So 2b will take common. The remaining things are there is a plus b. So these are the two factors of the given algebraic expression. Now we'll consider the next example, that is example number 11. It is 9a square minus a square minus 4h square. Now if you'll observe at this algebraic expression, then the square of the first term, it is 3a its square minus it is a square minus 4h square. Again it is the difference of the square terms. So we'll use the formula x square minus y square. So x square minus y square is equal to, so what is, so example number 11, it is 9a square minus a square minus 4h square. So we'll solve it once again, as while writing the factors only minus minus plus, it was not written there. So because of that we'll solve this example once again. So it is 3a its square minus a square minus 4h square. So I'll write a plus b or x plus y into x minus y. It is 3a minus, so minus when you are writing, so here it is a square minus 4 and 3a plus, here it is a square, not minus 4, yes, a square minus 4. So it is a square minus 4. Now here, as the negative sign is out of the bracket, the inner sign it will get changed. So it is 3a minus a square plus 4. Okay, and here it is 3a plus a square minus 4. Just rearrange the terms. It is minus a square plus 3a plus 4, and here it is a square plus 3a minus 4. Now from this, if I will take negative sign common, then it will be a square minus 3a minus 4, and here it is a square plus 3a minus 4. So it is coefficient of a square, it is 1, and the last term it is minus 4. So 1 multiplied by minus 4, that is minus 4. Find out the factors of minus 4 in such a way that their subtraction is minus 3. So if I will write minus 4 is equal to, same here, it is minus 4 into 1, because I know minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. And here also it is 1 into minus 4, it is minus 4. So the subtraction should be plus 3. Now minus 4 is equal to, if you write 4 into minus 1. Why? Because 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. So I will write here, it is minus a square minus 4a plus a minus 4. And here we will write a square plus 4a minus a minus 4. Okay. So here it is minus, if from the first two and last two terms, now you have to take the things common. So if you take a common, it is a minus 4, plus nothing is there means 1, it is a minus 4. And again here it is a, in bracket it is a plus 4 minus 1, if you take common, then a plus 4. Okay, so here it is minus inside the bracket, this a minus 4, we'll write a minus 4. What will be the remaining terms? A plus 1. And here it is a plus 4, same. So what will be the remaining term? A minus 1. So the factors are minus a minus 4, a plus 1, a plus 4, a minus 1. So this minus sign, if you keep as it is, then also it will be okay. Or if you multiply only with the first bracket, then its sequence will get changed. It is minus a plus 4. So 4 minus a, I will write. It is a plus 1 into a plus 4 into a minus 1. And these are the factors of this given algebraic expression. A little bit lengthy example it is there, because first you have to use the formula of difference of the squares, and then you have to solve these two quadratic equations or these two trinomials. Okay, by splitting or by taking the factors of a into c terms, that is a into c terms, by taking its factors or by splitting the middle term, you can say, then we'll get the factors like this.